An antique typewriter silent by day comes alive at midnight. Its messages predict the future, but ignoring them, that's a deadly mistake. It began as a curiosity, a typewriter that wrote without a hand to guide it. The first message seemed strange, but harmless. Stay away from the bridge. Night after night, the warnings continued. Don't open the door. She's lying to you. Every message proved true. But each one came with a trust shattered, fear spreading like wildfire. The camera revealed what he couldn't see, a shadow guiding the keys, spelling out doom. But the worst was yet to come. He tried to destroy it, but the warnings became louder, angrier. And then the messages turned personal. The last one appeared moments before his lights went out. Your time is up. Would you dare own a typewriter that knows your future and decides your fate?